To learn a language is to win a nation. The slogan of my class today. I am Muhammad Saiful Islam Zibon, a senior English teacher of Ideal Preparatory and High School, Kharampur, Sherpur. I shall discuss about English second paper for the classes 9 and 10. We know that English is a vast arena containing the global demand at present. This international language may be deemed as a vehicle running on four wheels, namely listening, speaking, reading and writing. Teaching this language might be interpreted in an allegorical manner. I believe that in order to learn a language, to have fundamentals of grammar, because grammar is a machinery to learn a language perfectly. We know that grammar contains a number of items. Among them, take question is one. It is an important item for the classes both 9 and 10. This item carries 5 marks. So, to have a good idea about this item is a must for the classes, for the students of the classes 9 and 10. Now, I shall try to discuss about a question. The word take is used as a verb and as a noun. As a verb, take means to act. As a noun, take means a piece of small paper, fabric and other things which is attached to identify about it. It is a word or phrase which is added to a sentence to make sure about something. Actually, I can define that take question is a short question which is added at the end of a statement to be sure of something. Again, I say take question is a question which is added at the end of a statement to make sure of something. We also know that there are two types of take question. Number one, affirmative. Number two, negative. We know that if the statement is affirmative, take question will be negative, and if the statement is negative, take question will be affirmative. Now, I shall discuss different sentences in the question with the verb need. Need. It is a word which is used as a noun and a verb. And as a verb need, it is used as a modal verb and a main verb. Now I shall discuss about need verb which will be added in statement, such as I shall discuss need as a main verb. We know that main verb is the verb which can express in a sentence without help of any other verb. Now I shall discuss need as a main verb. I need a pen. He needs a book. She needed a pen. In this sentence, need as a main verb. Need as a main verb. We shall try to add a question in the sentence. As need bears a base form, so we use don't at the end of the statement. I mean, don't I. Don't I. Next sentence. In this sentence, needs is a present form, but it carries es, so we need to use does or doesn't. That means if we make this sentence, if we try to add take question in this sentence, we should need to write doesn't he. Next sentence. In this sentence, need is a main verb, but it carries past form, so I must use didn't at the end of the sentence. Didn't she? Okay. In these sentences, need is used as main verbs. In these sentences, need is also used main verb, because this is main verb, this is infinitive. Main verb, this is infinitive. This is main verb, this is infinitive. If we try to add take question in the first sentence, we shall write doesn't he. If we make the next sentence, or if we try to add take question in the next sentence, we need to write don't I. If we added take question in the last sentence, we need to write didn't she. In this sentence, need is also used as main verb, because this is main verb, this is gerund. In this sentence, need is also used as main verb, gerund. In this sentence, need is used also main verb, needed, gerund. Now we shall try to add take question in the first sentence. Then I should write don't I. In the next sentence, doesn't he. In the next sentence, didn't she. My dear students, I shall try to discuss need as a main verb in different sentences. Perhaps all of you are quite able to understand about need as a main verb in different sentences. Now I shall try to discuss need as a modal verb. In this sentence, need is used as modal verb. Now we need to know about modal verb. Modal verb, which is one kind of verb, is used before main verb, which means possibility, certainty and permission. Now I shall try to add take question in the first sentence. Now we should use need. Needn't I. I have written needn't I because need is here modal verb. Need is here modal verb. Next, I shall also try to write needn't, because in this sentence need is used as modal verb. Needn't she? My dear students, I am sure that all of you are quite able to understand between the difference between about the difference between need as a main verb and need as a modal verb. Homework. My dear students, this homework for all of you. I hope all of you try to solve this problem. Okay, dear students, I hope all of you are staying at home in this situation. The situation of the whole world is to stay home and safely. Thanks a lot.